Welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today, please join me in cooking ginataang shrimp with malunggay and miscellaneous veggies. So let's do it. Here are the ingredients. We have malunggay or moringa drumstick, or we call it hagod. We have asparagus, chopped tomatoes, ginger, onions. We have shrimp or prawn. We got string beans and squash. We got bok choy, garlic, fish shrimp paste, ground black pepper, chili, crushed chili. We have chicken bouillon. We got coconut milk and coconut cream. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna let we're gonna cook first the malunggay or the hagod or the drumstick first, because this is the toughest one. So we're gonna cook this for, I should say, 10 minutes, and then the rest of the vegetables will follow. The shrimp, we'll put this in the last part of our cooking. Probably we'll just cook this for the next 3 or 4 minutes because we don't overcook shrimp. So let's go and hit the stove. In our hot pot here, let's put olive oil. Okay, just a little of olive oil. Then put our onions. Give it a minute to cook. Let's stir it. Now this is the time to put our ginger. Give it a minute. Now let's add our garlic. Alright. Give it 30 seconds. Now we'll put our tomatoes. Okay. Give it 2 minutes to cook. Now we're gonna add the shrimp paste. Okay. All right. Gonna give it a good mix. All right. And then we can add also our moringa drumstick or malunggay drumstick or hagod. There you go. We're gonna let it cook for the next 10 minutes, so it will become real tender. Also at this time, we can add the coconut milk. All right. All right. Go. Then we add a little of our ground black pepper. All right. Mix it, and then we'll cover it so it will become tender. Cover it. Now the drumstick or the hagod is already tender. Now is the right time to put our string beans and squash. Okay, let's give it 3 minutes before we put the other vegetables. All right, we'll cover this. Give it 3 minutes. Let's check it. All right. Now this is the time to put our asparagus. Let's give it 2 minutes to cook. Wow, I can smell. It smells real tasty because of the coconut milk. Okay. So let's give it 2 minutes. Now we'll add our prawn. Wow, these are big prawns. We'll give it 2 minutes. We don't cook shrimp or prawn. We don't overcook it. So 2-3 minutes will be all right. So we'll cover it. Let's check our prawn. The prawn is golden already, meaning it's cooked. So now we can add a little of crushed chili, a pinch of crushed chili. There you go. And add more of coconut cream. All right. Okay. We'll simmer this for another minute. And should be done. Let's add our last step. We have to add our bok choy. Man, this is beautiful. All right. Okay. There you go. Let's put the bok choy down there. Oh man, it smells real good. Whew. All right. So cover it for 1 more minute and it's ready to serve. Here is the finished product. Ginataang shrimp with malunggay and other veggies. Please share this recipe and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so. Thank you for watching and have a good day.